Zip uneven number py arrays. Consider the following number py dot arrays. I need to combine these so I end up with the following. Note that in this case, the array happens to be the largest array. This is not guaranteed, however, nor is the length guaranteed. In other words, any array could be the longest, and each array is of arbitrary length. I tried using iter tools, isZip_longest, but I can only use fill value for the tuple with 3, which will not work. I tried iter tools.product also, but my result is not a true Cartesian product.
You can transpose B and C and then create a product of the A with the transposed array using itertools.product.
Let's say you have. Now, if you know beforehand which one is the longest array, which is B in this case, you can use an approach based upon np.meshGrid. Sample run.
If the length differences are not extreme, check inputs first. I'd be tempted to pad out the shorter lists to the length of the longest with none and generate all the permutations, 27 of them for 3 lists of 3 elements. Then, reasons not to do this: if the cube of the length of the longest list is significant in terms of memory usage, space to store n cubed possibles, or CPU usage.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.